I'm Rhonda, and welcome to my channel if you're new. And if you're already subscribed to the family, welcome back. Today I am going to be reviewing a body by KKW fragrance. This is Kim Kardashian West's 7th fragrance released from the house of KKW fragrance. Kim Kardashian is very well known in the beauty industry. Along with KKW Beauty, KKW fragrance is in popular demand and nearly guaranteed to sell out. So Kim did not hesitate to release a new fragrance. And this is the box, you guys. Very nice, sleek design. This perfume released on April 30th. It literally took 3 days to arrive to me. So her shipment was on point. I will give her an A+ on shipment. This did not take long at all to arrive to me. The texture is like sandpaper. This bottle was designed from a mold of Kim Kardashian's actual body. It's definitely eye-catching, very plump and bodacious. Honey, this bottle has cake by the pound. Kim, I see you, girl. I see you. You know us fragrance lovers are suckers for packaging. Girl, stop playing on our emotions. So enough of talking about this statue of Kim's body. Let's get right into what this is smelling like. In the top, you have bergamot, mandarin, rose, and peach nectar. In the middle, you have ylang ylang, rose absolute, and jasmine sambac. And in the base, you have vetiver, sandalwood, amber, and musk. And this top, I don't know, I think I broke this top, y'all. It just kind of comes off easily, or you can just snap it in place like that. I think I didn't broke it. Well, it don't matter, but let's get right into what she's smelling like. The atomizer on this is really nice. As first sniff, it smells very synthetic. I am definitely picking up the rose, and I am picking up this really screechy floral. Out of first sniff of the bottle, you can smell peach when you smell it out of the top, but when you spray it, what happened to the peach? It smells kind of starchy, like spray starch. This is starting to smell really messy. After about 20 minutes of spraying this is really messy. Like, it's all over the place. You can't distinguish any of the note. It just smells like a concoction of starch and rose. I don't know. I think the vetiver is too heavy in this. It killed the fragrance. First of all, this is a very floral scent. The strongness of the vetiver just killed this scent. It makes it smell old. It makes it smell like really mature. I see where she was trying to go with this fragrance, you guys. This has fell flat on its ass, or maybe should I say flat on this ass. It smells like a lotion, but it almost smells like aloe vera. And this has literally dried down to a skin scent, but a floral skin scent. I'm not getting any musk, any sandalwood. It's just drying down to a syrupy, starchy vetiver. This fragrance may be music to some people's ears. Some people will really enjoy this scent. If you are not a fan of heavy floral scents, stay away from this perfume. This is like a floral concoction of disaster. I'm quite confused of the concept. This bottle does not match the scent that's in this bottle. This is not at all what I expected. I was expecting, y'all see how bodacious this ass is? I was expecting a smell of juicy peach, okay, to match this juicy peach right here. Girl, you promoting this juicy peach? Even throw in a scent of peach nectar? But what happened? You leaving a girl feeling duped, feeling ripped off, feeling bamboozled. No ma'am, this scent does not equate to this bottle. This perfume is described as a narcotic elixir that offers an opening of a bright energetic bergamot and a burst of juicy pear nectar. Okay, first of all, where is the bergamot? Bergamot is a citrusy scent. I'm not picking up anything citrus in this, but this smells balmy, starchy, like lotion. And for the lasting power, what lasting power? This literally went to a skin scent within a half an hour. I couldn't smell it. My husband couldn't smell it on me. I literally had to go in like this to be able to even smell this. I am really confused on the concept. Like, what was this meant for? Please let a girl know, okay? No, ma'am. This perfume does not live up to the hype. Anybody want to buy it? Second of all, how about getting testers or samples sent out to people for your fragrances? The Crystal Gardenia line, it was very nice. I don't know what happened with this one. The concept, banging. I will give this A+ with the concept of the bottle and the packaging and the marketing of it. This scent felt flat. Great concept, outlandish bottle, but very poor scent. And that's my take on KKW body. KKW fragrance is not a lost cause. It's not a lost house. But even though we received one perfume that's some bullshit, the other ones is a force to be reckoned with. But this right here, no ma'am.